Hi there, today I want to show you how to make an amazing, beautiful, big Easter centerpiece in a dough bowl. If you have a dough bowl, this is something you can do, and if yours isn't as large, you can just scale everything down. I have this giant chocolate bunny, and I have linked to him below. I have a whole bunch of dry floral foam. We won't poke holes in all of it, it'll be reusable. And I have pastel artificial hydrangeas in pink, white, and green. And then I picked up a few of these giant Easter eggs at Walmart. I'll link to all these products below, but let's get started. The first thing I have to do is make a base down in here for my Easter bunny. And I'm going to do that with floral foam. And then I'm going to put 2 pieces of styrofoam up on top of there just because those are the right size. And my bunny is going to go right on top. There we go. You don't have to do anything to attach him in here. And then I just want to fill in with some floral foam where we can put our hydrangeas. So if you have a lot of this on hand, if you don't, pick some up. You will not use it all to make holes and things, so most of this will be reusable. And I find I reuse things like this all the time. So there we go, just like that. I forgot to mention, I also am using 3 artificial garlands for my base for my hydrangeas, and I'm just going to kind of lay them around. You don't have to poke those into anything, but you see those give it a nice base. This is an idea you could use any time of the year and use something different than a big chocolate bunny. Like you could use this same idea with fall flowers and put a big turkey in here, for example. Or a Santa Claus and fill this with Christmas ornaments. Okay, we have our base greenery, and now I'm just going to start adding my hydrangeas. It's a little hard when I can't see over here, so there we go. And we're just going to fill this up with pretty hydrangeas all around our bunny. So there you have all the hydrangeas put in. It's a beautiful centerpiece all gathered around our big chocolate bunny. And then I'm going to add a few of these giant eggs. I found these at Walmart, and you can hang them like so, but I'm going to take them and turn them upside down and just tuck them right into our arrangement. So this is a great way to style a dough bowl. This will sit here on my table through Easter. My granddaughters will love it. They'll want to eat the bunny, which he isn't really chocolate. I'm going to link to all the products below. If you have any questions, please comment below. And I will see you next time with a new craft or table scape.